Imagine, pinagtiyagaan yung kalokohan ni Madriaga. Madriaga is a hoax. This is about bias. This is not for the Filipino people. This is about the survival of politicians on both sides. I refuse to be part of this. This is about destroying your enemies, using instrumentalities of government like the NBI, the AMLAC, the COA, to persecute a political opponent. Nakakatakot po ito. Dahil hindi ito matatapos. Kung magagamit ito ngayon para i-persecute yung mga political opponents, paano kami? Opponent din naman ng administrasyon na ito.
Agree with your Liberal Party mate, Congresswoman Leila de Lima, sa pagpapanagot po kay VP Sara?
I disagree in participating in this process as a whole. Kaya nga hindi na ako dumalo ng anumang process sapagkat tatandaan ko nung si Ninoy Aquino pinagbibintangan noon ng Marcos na may kinalaman sa mga NPA, kinonvict ng kangaroo court. Talagay ko, ganito rin yun.